Good morning students, welcome to the 14th grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss all about adverbs. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb in any sentence. What does modify means here? It means it adds or changes the meaning of verb, adjective or an adverb in any sentence. Now let us look into each of these three modifications with some examples to make things clear. How does adverbs modify verb, or we can shape an action performed by the subject? There are four ways in which adverbs modify or describe the action. Firstly, how an action is performed. Secondly, where is the action performed? Thirdly, when an action is performed. And four, how often or frequent an action that we are speaking is performed. Now let us see some examples for each. Firstly, we will see the adverb that describes how an action is performed. She speaks loudly. Here we can identify that she speaks. But how she speaks? She speaks loudly. So, loudly is describing us the manner in which she spoke. And hence, it is an adverb. Let's look into another example. Manish worked hard to win the prize. Here, we are able to know that Manish worked. But hard is describing the manner in which Manish worked. So, hard is an adverb here. As this adverb describes the manner in which the action is performed, they are called adverb of manner. Now, let's look into the next way in which we can describe any action. Where an action occurred. Let's go somewhere for a holiday. Here we are telling about going for holidays. But at which place? By using somewhere, we are telling the place to go for holidays. So, it is an adverb. Don't go anywhere. But where should we go? Don't go anywhere. Here, anywhere is an adverb, as I am telling the location where you don't go. As this adverb describes where the action happened, these are called adverb of place. Now let's look into the next way in which we describe an action. When exactly the action happened. He came late to work. Here we are able to know that he came for work. But when did he come? Late. So, late is an adverb here. We will submit our work today. We can say this even without using today also. But today says us when we will submit our work. As this adverb describes when the action exactly happens, these are called adverb of time. Now let's look into the fourth way in which we describe an action. That is, how often or frequent the action is happening. He called me twice yesterday. Here we are understanding that how many times he called me yesterday. He called, but how often did he call? Twice. So, twice is an adverb here. She is always late for work. Here, always describes us that she is always late for work, and thus tells us the frequency of her late coming. So, always is an adverb here, as this adverb describes the frequency of action These are called adverb of frequency. Now let's look into the next way in which we describe an action. How much or to what degree or extent an action is done. Your answer is partly right. Your answer is right. But to what extent the answer is correct? Partly. As partly says to what extent the answer is right, it is an adverb. The cup is nearly full. Here we can understand that the cup is full. But how much? Nearly. As nearly says how much the cup is full, it is an adverb. As they say how much or to what degree or to what extent an action is done, it is called adverb of degree or quantity. Now let's look one more way in which we describe an action. The degrees of comparison of adverbs. The dog ran fast. The horse ran faster. The cheetah ran the fastest. Here we see dog, horse and cheetah are compared for their speed in running. So they are called the degrees of comparison. Ram spoke well. Manish spoke better. Harish spoke the best. Here also we can see Ram, Manish and Harish are compared in their ability to speak. Here you can note that though the degrees of comparison remain the same for both for adjectives and adverbs, the degrees of comparison of adjectives qualify the nouns and the degrees of comparison of adverbs modify the verbs. When we speak about adjectives, it qualifies the noun, but when we speak about the degrees of comparison of adverbs, it modifies the verbs. So dear students, that's all in this video. Try to understand these different kinds of adverbs and do the exercises in your textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.